Okay, today is August 21st, 3 days away from 2 months that, I had gone on 6/24 to the Hall of Justice to see Ms. Kruger and Dr. Pine to get medical care in my medical records. In 3 days it'll be 2 months that I have not been afforded medical care nor an appointment to get it by DPH. If you look at the 6/24 video. Well, anyway, I'm on my way back to hell. Once again, on my way back to hell. And for a third time, once again, on my way back to hell. San Francisco General, which breaks laws and has the complicit accomplices of the sheriff to enable them to do it. Anyway, I'm going back for several things because, as always, I'm continuing to videotape the farce, the inhumanity, and the game playing. First of all, if you look on YouTube at the video for 8/11, you will see where I was told by Ms. Kruger that, if I videotape anywhere in San Francisco General, that I'll be arrested because, according to the PIO officer and the city attorney, it's a clinical setting, and that it's a Hipaa violation. If you remember, I pulled out Hipaa Law because, I had it on me to ask her to show me where it said this, and you saw that she demurred because naturally it's a lie. Let me say it again, a lie. Let me say it for a third time, a lie. Anyway, so I'm bringing Hipaa Law here with me so that the sheriff can point it out here at San Francisco General, and then when he can't, it'll be on video. In addition, since they're claiming that they can arrest me for a Hipaa Law violation, if you look at the video on 8/11, you'll notice that I got my medical records. And if you look back on the YouTube videos, you'll see how many times I came to hell to get my medical records. And of course, with the willing accomplices of the sheriff, I was illegally denied them. So, once again, I'm here with the sheriff to press charges. If, according to Ms. Kruger, I was going to be arrested for a Hipaa violation at San Francisco General, then under equal protection, they must arrest the Hipaa violators that violated my rights at San Francisco General, unless, of course, that's a lie. Let me say it again, a lie. Let me say it for a third time, a lie, so that you can understand the game playing and the inhumanity. In addition, I want to be taken to patient advocacy to, set up a time to file my multiple complaints and, other things that I have on a list. I also want to go to medical records because I sunshined them for the Hipaa violations, the denial of emergency services, on 3 separate incidents here at San Francisco General. Once again, I can ask the sheriff, who arrests and where do I file charges for that? So let's go ahead and learn the games here. Let us learn that the laws do not apply for you. Let us learn that as long as you have a complicit accomplice, i.e. the sheriff, who has the sole jurisdiction here because the San Francisco Police Department has abrogated your rights without your consent. What a wicked web we weave when we intend to deceive. So, these are things and issues that I'm bringing forward so that you can see, A, that there is no medical law enforcement, B, that all you do is get played, C, that it's inhumane, D, that it's immoral and unethical, E, what's the consequence, F, they'll continue and move on to the next victim, G, I could just go on and on and on. Well, it's here on video for you guys to learn the games and to watch the inhumanity. So, let's see if I just get threatened with arrest again, because isn't that just the common thing to do? We'll just arrest them. And, like the last time they arrested me, 11/27/13, which of course the charges were dropped because they were bogus. Naturally, I wasn't able to go in front of a judge, to point out the law-breaking activity and request due process. Oh well. Live, learn, despair. Live, learn, despair. Live, learn, despair. All right, I'll turn this back on when I get to the sheriff's part at San Francisco General Hospital. Yes, let's continue to document the law-breaking activity, the inhumanity, and the accomplices.